I, the leader of Sturmer.
And it is I, Uber.
You shut up, puppet! You listen here, I have a very important public service announcement about Octavius Fung and the roaming Eye of Doom. You listen here. There is no I in the Sturmer, but there is an I in evolution.
There's no I in Uber either.
You shut up, puppet! You hear me? Now, what am I trying to get at? It is that us super villains, Octavius Fung, the roaming Eye of Doom, I believe that we are the next stage in human evolution. Us meta villains, we are the future, and we will need a leader. I may be the leader of the Sturmer, but Octavius Fung is the leader. All hail
The I.
I have a book coming out, October 21st.
It is the day of the end of the world.
You shut up, puppet! Hail camping, leader of some church or whatever, religion, ooh, he says on October 21st, the end of the world will happen, there will be a rapture. I will lead this rapture with my new scripture. You buy it, America, it is 14 American dollars. For super villains, you get a discount. I give you promo code if you ask me for it. And remember, all hail the Eye.